Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vasu Deshpande on 8th, that means August 3rd, 2024. Today's topic of demonstration is printing barcodes. Using Easylib 6.4, a cloud version, you can easily print the barcodes like this. You can see over here. I can easily peel them and paste onto the books that I have got over here. It's so simple over here. You can paste on any book, right? Yeah, it's as simple as that. So we are going to learn more about how you can print barcodes, how you can design, get the data from the database, and print using Easylib software. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. So here we are. Okay, cool. So let's get started here. Here I'm logged into Easylib software demonstration version. So the topic is print design and printing of the barcode. So let me log in as my user ID right now. So I'm logging in as library staff. So you're all familiar with this home page, which is totally customizable. So now let me go into the menu part, and here I will go to the barcode module. Okay. So now this is the module which helps you print barcodes in multiple formats. Okay. So in the meantime, let me just go and check whether I am live and accessible on my mobile. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. So let me see whether I am live. Okay, it should come up in a minute. So it's not showing me. Okay, let me get started anyway. So to print the barcode, this is what you should do. So let's say this is the format that you want, right? So this is the format of the barcodes. Right? So this has got 4 rows and 12 rows. So this is called 48. Okay, L48. So now you have got different formats like L24, L40, L2, L1, like that. So for that, you would like to go to Amazon.com. Know that labels 8 by 3. I'm just putting Amazon over here. So this is the barcode label sheet, NovaJet A4 size. So here in this, you have how many of them? 48 into 24, so A4 size. So this is the barcode sheet that you have. What I have got over here is so 48 sheet. Similarly, you have 8 by 3 sheets and so on. You can print, you can order any of these. So this one is about 500 rupees for about 100 sheets, so roughly about 5 rupees per sheet. Not very expensive at all. So you are getting about 40, 24, 40, 48, 65 labels based on the size. So print on this kind of paper. What you want to do is you want to go to the barcode module. So here, when you get Easylib 6.4 a cloud version, we would have already configured so many of them for you. You can use any of them. So for our testing purpose, I'll take this Easylib VTU 8.3. So here this sheet says sheet format A4, A3, A5, the different kinds of sheets you can design the barcode on. Then you put your own description, whatever the description that you want, let's say 8.3, 8 by 4 or any of that. Okay. Number of labels. So if you want to repeat the labels, how many other times you want to put it, so that you can repeat. So usually what we do is we'll put only one labels. So you don't want to repeat it, right? So this is a sheet picture in case you want some kind of background, right? On that entire sheet. That time you can have this sheet. Many times you don't use it, okay, because you want to print it on a plain sheet, right? So, all right. So then there is a left margin. So this left margin is how much you want the gap between this left and the where the barcode starts. That's the left margin. Right margin is how much you want to leave it on the right. top margin is this top margin, bottom margin is this. I don't think we have got the bottom margin if it's automatically determines. So then there is a barcode label width. What is the width of this barcode? So this is the barcode label width. Barcode height is this barcode height, how much you want. Horizontal gap is how much is the gap between these two labels. Okay. And the vertical gap is between these two labels, how much is it? Okay. So you do the one-time design like this, and then you save it. So you may have to do a couple of trial and error if you are, this alignment is different for the different brands of the paper. So that's one interesting thing. So the one that I have shown here is the NovaJet brand. There are other brands also, like every barcode labels you will see here. Every barcode A4 sheet. Yeah, so this is another kind of, this is GI Industries. This is a generic, it says True Ally barcode. This is what Desmat. So there are different brands of barcode sheets are available. There may be a slight 1 or 2 mm sheet, 1 or 2 mm difference between these two labels. So in case in this NovaJet, right, so there's a little background of, let's say about 3 mm. But in some places there may be no border at all. Okay, so in some places there may be only 1 mm. So there may be some little bit tweaking required. But overall, what you do is you will go to this particular screen and set the barcode. What you want to do is you want to generate format like this, then print it on a normal A4, then compare it against this actually. So how it fits, okay, you can mix and match, see whether it's aligned properly, or this is the, suppose this is a normal A4 sheet and this is a label sheet. You want to compare, okay, whether it's fitting correctly or not, like this, see this, okay, so alignment is correct, okay, and horizontal alignment is correct, whether there's a little bit gap and forth and all that. If there is a lot of gap, what you want to do is, if there is a little bit overlap, you may want to reduce the barcode size to, let's say, 20 of them, and then see like that, okay. So then what you do is you will go here, put the top college name. Here in my example, right, I have put our college library as the name, okay, our college library. You can put the city name and other things. So there are 3 things. One is the accession barcode, member ID, and periodical ID. The why we have these 3 different ones is it also dynamically gets the data. Say for example, when you choose accession number, right, you have the ability to print the call number as well as the location. You can choose either of them or leave it blank. For our testing purpose, we will put it as a call number here. Okay, accession number. And then this accession number, you may want to choose any range. Okay, so I'll also show you how you can print using this, putting in a notepad and then importing that. I'll show you that also. And number of repetition that you have got. Okay, so there is an optional call sheet I have put. So now you say click on generate. Now look what happened. So this is how it has generated. Okay, so now if you see here, right, it's a 8 by 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 we have got. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3. So now if you have to print it on A4, right, it won't fit in properly because as per the sheet that we have chosen, 8 by 3 what we wanted, 8 by 3, but here what it has designed is 9 by 3. So what you want to do is you want to increase this label height. Earlier it was 25 correctly. I think I had changed it. So now I'm making 25 and say generate. Now let's see how does it look. Okay. So now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So more or less this looks good actually. Here I have got lot of things over here. Our college library, your college name is displayed, accession number is displayed, call number is displayed. What else you want? You are getting pretty much everything. If you want to put your city name here, our college library city name, if you want to put your own city and then generate again, so now it prints with the city name also. Okay, now in case you find this font is a little too small, you go and change it to, let's say, 12 font. If I put it, I can change it. Okay, now generate again. Now look what happened. Our college library city name also wrapped. Yeah, it happens, right? So because you have chosen the too big of a font. So let me go back again and change it to, let's say, 10. I'll see here. Let's see here. So see, there is no cost involved or anything like that, trial and error, right? So you can choose whatever fits you. Like this, you are generating. So now let's see, count how many are there. 1 2 3 are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Exactly, more or less this is looking good. Okay. So like this, how many our sheets you want, you can print it here. So now for our testing purpose, right, I have choose the 12 by 8, what I had done. So 48L is what I had chosen. So this was Easylib 82. The one that I had chosen was, I think, this one. So, oh, if you want to rename and then put your own, okay. Say let's say your name is Ramesh. You want to put it as Ramesh and save it. So this is the Ramesh one A4 size. So that way you have couple of them earlier already created. Just in case by mistake if you overwrite, you should be able to download the previous one, right? So now that's what I will do is I will go and choose this Ramesh one. Yeah, Ramesh A4 sheet. It's come up over here. So now here again, what you do is you put your our college library, the range you choose. Okay, here field number, call number I'm choosing. Generated. Yeah. So this was I think how many are them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So yeah, I think probably did we do some changes here? Because I think the one that I modified was having the font as a 10. But what I have chosen now is having a font as only 9. So probably it's a different sheet that I had modified. So you can play around, come up with the one that suits you most. Actually, this is a one-time activity. One time you do a little bit trial and error, come up with a beautiful sheet. Then after that, you will be able to print it. So let's see. I just want to make sure I'm sharing my screen. For some reason, the live doesn't seem to be coming up over here. So I hope I am really live. Oh yeah, it's coming up. Good. So let's see here. Yeah, good. So it's showing very good over here. Oh, we do have a few people are watching already. That's nice. Okay. All right. Okay. So now you have designed this sheet. Again, I'll tweak around just to show this. So you know that was overlapping, right? So I'll make it as 8. And the labels you don't want 30, you make it 28. Change it. You know? And if you want to save it as Ramesh too, you do that. Whatever you want. Then again, click on generate. So it's going to generate. So now 336. So now there is a lot more gap here. So because you reduce the size, right? So you want to keep it as instead of the 28, let's keep it as 30 again. So these are all the one-time activities. You don't have to do every day actually. Okay, you are just going to come up with a good design for your first sheet. Okay, once you have got the whole thing, you will be able to print it. Now let me go back over here. Let me close all other extra windows that I have generated. Okay, and now going back over here. So the one I have got is so Ramesh 48, right? So 48 easily ref I had chosen. So now our library. So now this what we'll do is we'll put a member ID. Okay, so instead of the a member ID ESPL 0101 to I'll pay ESPL 0120. Here member ID, it doesn't make sense with call number and location, right? You're just going to take this member ID. So now this time what it takes is the member ID information it shows. Our college library and the member ID. And if you want any little longer, I think we do have 21, 23 EAC, one EAC 001 to 21 EAC 9. I'll put, let's see. Yeah, so many of the member IDs, right? You can design like this, print it. Okay. So now what I would do is, so instead of the member, let me choose the periodical ID. Periodical ID also you need to put, I think I'll put 1 to 2. Let's see how many are there. It may be a lot of them, right? So let me not pick up that's a pretty big one. So what I'll go here is I'll go to the A option. A option Q. So periodical PLI is the loose issues. So I'll choose this range 3-2024 onwards. Let me choose. I'll choose again this 8 by 3 here. So our college library. Here I'll choose periodical. When I periodical again there is a call number location option available. I'll choose this one till let's say maybe I'll put 25. Let's see here 26. Let me put. Let's see what it does. Oh, there's not much. So let me put one thing. 23 I'll put. Let's see here how many it will generate. Yeah, there is not much actually in this, let's choose another one. You can choose any the range, the accession number range, or this is of the periodicals accession number range. So what I'll do is, for our testing purpose, I'll choose a little longer range, 1-2023 till I'll put 9. Of them will come. So what you can do is you can put the range that you want. As per this range, it will generate those barcode sheets for you. Okay, of course, it is generated only 2. Okay. So now if you want more of them, again you can go. This is a repetitive process. Again, you go here, choose this range. You want a periodical ID, you put it, periodical ID, whatever. You go to this option PLI, find the range of this periodical that you want to print, and then you print it. That's all. So let me do one thing, 25 to 26. Let me print. Let's see what it does. 26 I'm putting here. So generate. Yeah, there's a lot more, right? So yeah, our college library accession number. This is so big. See, the reason why we have this for the books and the periodical differently is periodicals usually have got the little longer periodical accession number, because this is 25 stands for the periodical ID, 2005 is the year of subscription, 31 is the volume number, 8 is the issue number, 1 is if you have got multiple copies, right? 1 is first copy, 2 is second copy, 3rd is third copy, and all that. So by the way, Easylib has been developed with a lot of thoughts. It does happen because you may have subscribed multiple copies of the same periodical, right? So you should not struggle to give what accession number and then end up giving something different. So that's why we have got this where it allows you in the first copy, second copy, and third copy, and so on. Okay. So yeah, that's how you generate this barcode. Okay. Now let me cover when I am on the spine level generation also. I'll cover. Here also there is a different screen for this. Again, you can use the same label sheet. Okay. Only difference is that it's going to generate the spine labels. Okay, that you can print it on the side of the book. This is a book. You're pasting it here, so that's the spine label. Here also I'll go and put it as our college library, and the accession number I'll choose. 00001. I'll choose 2000 I'll put it. Okay, then call number I'm putting. So the spine label is like this, There's a small one that you peel it, paste it on the back of this particular. If this is a book, then you are pasting it over here. Okay, so that's the spine label. So again, here I've got the college name, the accession number, and the call number that you are putting, because that will really help you arrange this books in the order, right, of the call number. Okay. So we learned how to print the barcode labels as well as the spine labels for the sequence. So now let's see how to print it if you want to print it a range actually. So here what you do is that you can add any time you want the barcodes in range. So what you can do is you can choose 200 to 300. If you want, you can even add a queue here. Okay. So now look, all of them are got added here. So now 300 to 320. So if you want to add more here, if you want to just clear it off, just everything becomes clean here. So if you want to add some more of them, accession number, if you want to add 0000400, you can add to queue. Okay. If you want accession number 600, you want to add to queue. Let's say if you want to add 000 2001 till 2099, you want to add to queue. Like that, you can keep on adding to this queue here. Okay. So 2001 to, let's say I'll put 3000, I'll put little longer range. Okay, so you have added it. So how many of them? 1000, 2000 books you have added, right? So a lot of them you have added. So of course you can go out also anytime. You can come back. The same range is already there. Actually, it doesn't get deleted unless you click on delete. When you click on delete, everything gets deleted. Okay. So now multiple ones you can add. Accession number you can add because it helps you print the call number and location. Member ID, general member ID, it validates whether the particular member is there or not, because if you have given a range member ID 1 to 100 and you don't have the member ID created for especially if you want to print for year 2022 and 2023 students. 2022 admission, you have got, let's say, about 100 students. 23, you have another 120 students. So total 220. So you are putting 2022 MBA 001 till 2023 MBA 999. What it will do is it will not print like a 2000 of them, because what it will do is it will go and find out only the member IDs in that range and then print it as per that. So now here I have put the accession. So second one was the members you can put. Third is the periodical. None. If you want anything which is neither the book nor the member ID nor the periodical accession, anything, let's say this table, chair, computer, anything you want for that one, you can of course print this. So first time you want to add this to the queue. Then next, it's very simple here. Again, you choose the format. If you want 8 by 3 you are taking, and you go here, put our college library, and here it's again, if it is accession, it will only print the accessions. Okay, and call number I have put, the member ID, whatever you want, you can print it. It will take only those. Okay, now say print here. So now look, this is what is our college library, accession number, call number. Fine, very simple. So now they are all not necessary in the same order actually. So now if you see here, right, 2006 and then 21 is there. Okay, and then 22 is there, 24 is there, 25. It can be in a random order also. Whatever you want it to be printed, it will print you, and in the format that you want. Here 8 by 3 we have chosen 8 rows and 3 columns. So again, you just go here, take the sheet, peel this accession, this barcode sheet, and then paste it. That's all, as simple as that. Very simple. So done. Added. So life becomes easy, right? You don't have to struggle to print the barcode labels. You simply use the Easylib software. It will go get automatically the call number, automatically the location number it will get. It will validate whether the member ID you are putting is a valid one or not. So that way there is no spelling mistake also is feasible. And it will allow you to print the periodical barcodes, and it will allow you to put the, choose any random ones you want. If it happens to be accession, it gets the call number, location, and all that. It allows you to print multiple copies of the same accession numbers. If you want to print 2 or 3 labels, right? Either you can put it, repeat as a 2 and print it, or otherwise state the same, this is what is generated, right? Control P, and here what you do is you do a Control P over here, choose odd pages on, I'll choose, if you want only one page, choose one. If you want to do further adjustment, that is also possible here. What you can do is here, more settings are available over here. So here, pages per sheet, if you want to reduce it, it will reduce the size further and all that. Then you don't use it, you just use this one and all that thing. I think if you are using Chrome, even there is an ability to shrink that particular sheet also if you want to do further adjustment. All of those you can do. Print it neatly, you will get a sheet like this. So yeah, you'll get a sheet like this, peel it, paste it. So yeah, that's about it. That was the purpose of this live webinar today. And in the next one, that I'm going to start in a few minutes again, I'm going to cover this ID card part. Okay. Thank you so much for joining this Easylib barcode related webinar. And please join again. Keep seeing our live demos of this application. Just a little bit introduction about Easylib. This is a software for your library, entire automation system for libraries. Today we have nearly 650 customers, out of which about 180 of them are using our Easylib 6.4, a cloud version. Easylib 6.4, a cloud version, runs on our servers. So we have multiple servers located all over India and different places. So in fact, we are also testing with more applications, more servers. See, these are all the server names: Sindhu, Ganashini, Alakananda. We have water, right? The most crucial thing that we require. So all our server names are named after the rivers actually. So all the servers. So we get a real-time alert. So we are commissioning one more server. So the work is going on, but we already set up this live monitoring. So production Godavari server. So that's whether it's accessible or not. If it is not accessible, it becomes red. Accessible, it becomes green. So that way we get a real-time status of whether the application is up and running. So once you become our customer, we do have multiple options to get you to Easylib within, let's say, it's a simple procedure. let's say day 1 on Monday, let's say you give the purchase order, day 2 and 3, we import your data. So we have a lot of imports for books, journals, periodicals, the membership information, the past circulation, current circulation, digital library, in-note management, in-note reports, anything, all of those can be imported in Easylib. So day 2, day 3, that's a Tuesday and Wednesday, the data import happens. And on Thursday, you are up and running with your application. Then there is a training that follows. So we do have some of our customers which are using our software for more than 22 years actually. So they have been constantly upgrading. We are very thankful to them. And we hope you will be one of those customers who join us, use Easylib software for managing your library, and avail the benefit for many other functions also in the college. Now we have got the entire campus also that we have built actually. So if you go here, the entire campus automation software, admissions, attendance, student information, staff, exams, the timetable, so many of them are available over here. So this is the picture of AMC Engineering College. I think this is one of our client actually. So thank you to them. So we do have many very reputed colleges which are our clients. For example, Nitte University, KLE University, HK of Kalburgi, Father Muller, AJ Group, many Mount Carmel, and MS Ramaya. Some of the colleges were Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Sikkim Manipal University, and many of them we are very thankful to them. And all of you whose other names I have not taken, total 675 plus, right? 650 plus, a few more got added now. So thank you to all of you, and we look forward to having you as our client. If you are already not a client, if you are our client, please continue to use our application for a long time. We are very thankful. And here is my contact number. Our contact number 9844081710, 6364574490. My email ID. Please reach us. We would love to have our customers. And if you're already customer, be with us for a long time. We assure you the superior product, reliable service, and continuous innovation. So stay top ahead in your among your peers and get A plus, A double plus in all your ratings, and then avail the best of the services to the students. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And before I close, if you want to see more such videos, you just simply go to youtube.com/at Easylib demo. You will see the complete list of our videos. We have 212 videos. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe now and enjoy using the Easylib software. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.